If I told you that a beggar discovered a secret capable of transforming any life, would you believe it? This story took place in an ordinary train station, but what it reveals is anything but ordinary. And I promise you, once you understand what he learned, the way you see yourself will never be the same. In a crowded train station lived a beggar who survived by asking for coins every single day. His life never changed, until one morning something unexpected happened. He saw a well-dressed businessman walking by, confident, elegant, successful. The beggar thought, "This man is rich. He will surely help me." But when he stretched out his hand, he didn't receive money. He received a question. "Do you always just take? Do you never give anything in return?" The beggar froze. It was something he had never heard before. "Sir, I'm just a beggar. I have nothing to give." The businessman replied calmly, "If you believe you have nothing to give, then you truly have nothing." He stepped onto the train and left, but his words stayed behind. That night, the beggar couldn't sleep. The businessman's words echoed inside him. "If I have nothing to give, why would anyone give me anything?" For 2 days, he did not ask for money. He only thought. On the third day, he noticed a small patch of wildflowers growing near the tracks. Then an idea struck him. What if I give something in return? What if I offer a flower? He picked a few flowers and returned to his spot. When someone gave him a coin, he offered a flower in return. People smiled, some even thanked him. He realized something powerful. When he gave, people gave much more. One day, the businessman returned to the station. Excited, the beggar said, "Sir, today I have something to offer you." The businessman smiled. "Now you understand. Today, you are not a beggar. You are a businessman." Those words changed everything inside him. That same day, he left the station and never returned as a beggar again. 6 months later, 2 well-dressed men met at the station. One recognized the other and froze in surprise. "You were the beggar, weren't you?" He smiled. "I was. Today, I run my own flower business." "What changed you?" the businessman asked. "I realized my poverty wasn't in my pockets. It was in my mind." Life changes when the mind changes. If you see yourself as small, you'll live small. But the moment you recognize your value, the world begins to respond. If this story touched you, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it to inspire someone else.